God, I'm pressing. Help her right there. Suddenly became exhausted. Oh Lord, I'm getting tired. I have tried, I've remained steadfast, I've been expecting, I've been in expectation, I've been in pursuit for a while, I've been trusting you for a while, but I'm getting tired of praying, I am getting tired of fasting, I am getting tired of pursuing. I take authority over that spirit of slackness and that spirit of discouragement and that spirit of despair. I arrest you, get out now! Especially somebody who has been trusting God, praying for revival, praying for ministry explosion, praying for church growth, praying, God, prove that I have not sent myself, prove that I'm not wasting my time. Somebody is even asking Lord to prove himself. Prove, God, prove yourself to my family, prove to my friends. Prove today, he paid that I am not pursuing God for nothing. I am not wasting my time. I am not wasting my effort. I decree in this season, God shall prove himself in your life, prove himself in your family, prove himself to your friends, prove himself to your mockers. I declare the release. Lord, all of my hope is in you. I cannot fear what my future holds, for you hold my future in your hands. I cannot fear what my future holds, for you hold my future in your hands. I cannot fear what my future holds, for you hold my future in your hand. And my eyes are upon you, Lord.